everyone. Welcome to day 11 of my coding journey. I hope you guys are also catching up and learning things too as we go along. Yeah, today I ended up starting a new course on Python. I looked into it a little yesterday. I was just like getting some basics down. But yeah, I ended up like adding a couple more basics into my learning for today. This would include all of the built-in functions that Python has, and I ended up implementing them into small projects like a password checker, and we just went around, checked a couple things out, and I had a lot of fun. I was enjoying it throughout the entire time. I also came across something which is called short circuiting. It's where if you use a and over an or statement, and if you do that, if you use and, then the program will basically skip over your code and not check for the like part after. As if you used an or statement, then it would check everything that your code has to offer. Yeah, I also decided these next couple months, I'm probably going to be looking for a job in the next 3 to 4 months after I finish up the boot camp. But yeah, for the next 3 months, I plan to spend an hour every day after my sessions. That's going to add an extra hour. It's going to be around 9 hours of studying each day. It shouldn't be too bad. But I had planned on adding an extra hour to learn how to interview for software development companies. And as I start to get better, I'll start to learn more of like how to interview for FAANG companies, which is Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Netflix, Google, and get into their type of flow that they have as far as the interview process. Yeah, guys, that pretty much wrapped it up for today. Short video as I'm also starting to get ready on like the new courses I'm taking. I do have a very interesting video for you guys tomorrow. I plan on taking a full-on learn how to learn course, and I'll teach you guys about it after too. So we'll have a much longer, deeper YouTube video for tomorrow. But that pretty much wraps it up for a day. Definitely leave a like, add in some comments of what else you guys would like to see in these videos. Anything that I can improve on would be great to hear about, as I'm always trying to support you guys too. Yeah, I hope you guys have a good one. And yeah, stay learning, stay updated, and I'll see you guys next time.